Good morning.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti!
Good morning, everyone.
Finally, a sunny and beautiful day here in Sicily.
Yeah, because we had many ugly days, rainy, windy days. The temperatures, I do say, fell down.
Very quickly. And this is a strange October
Yeah,
because normally in October our temperature are still warm,
yeah.
but this year we don't know what's happening.
One of the coldest Octobers ever.
Yeah.
So now we are, I just say, we are so lucky because it's a beautiful sunny day. But it's about 21 Celsius degrees. That's about 68, 69, 70 Fahrenheit. But I'm okay. I don't want nothing more. Just this beautiful paradise behind us, and I'm ready to enjoy it.
Where we are?
So let's start talking about where we are. So this is the beautiful Mondello beach. We are just a few miles far from the city center of Palermo, the capital of Sicily. This is the most famous, most popular sandy beach in the area of Palermo. This is so beautiful.
This is a paradise, we can say.
This is so crowded during the summertime. That's why we don't show you this beach during our broadcast because we don't like the crowded places.
And the social distancing is impossible to
Yeah.
stay here during the summertime.
But now, as you can see, it's so beautiful, so spectacular. I wanna switch and talk about the Mondello beach and talk about the two mountains that I just say make a sort of shell. It's called Horseshoe Bend because of the shape of the Gulf. So I'm gonna show you the first mountain. I'm gonna switch. So this is Mount Pellegrino. For those who know something about Santa Rosalia, the patron saint of Palermo, they already know that this is the mountain where Santa Rosalia lived her last days, her last years of her life. She went in hermitage in a cave, and there is a beautiful church over the mountain where you can see the rest of Santa Rosalia.
One of the must-see locations in Sicily, I can say.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the beach.
And look at the waters. Today is so calm.
And that's another mountain. Actually, it's a cape. It's named Capo Gallo, just like a chicken cape. And this is a nature reserve. Behind that cape, you can see a couple of beautiful rocky coves with pristine water, crystal water. And as you can see, this is the village of Mondello. So let's switch again. Here we are again. So guys, what do you think? Write in the comments.
We are very lucky today to be able to enjoy this beautiful day. We decide to spend our lunch break here in Mondello because we have to say that tonight we went to sleep so late. We went to sleep at 3 a.m. In the morning.
3 a.m. We had a very hard day, a hard week because we spent the last week working on our video recipes. So it was so funny because we made a beautiful video tutorial, a couple of video tutorials.
Yes. One? Yes.
One dedicated to the almond cookies and one to the Sicilian masterpiece, Sicilian street food masterpiece, the arancini, the rice balls. And so we recorded a lot of footages, a lot of clips, because many ingredients are involved in this recipe, in this dish. And so actually we will, sorry for my gimbal guys, I don't know why I'm showing just me and not Rosella.
I can stay here.
And during our next culinary events on October 24 and 25, we will make together almond cookies and arancini. The most typical, the most traditional arancini, the version with meat ragu,
And
we call it arancina a carne, and the version with ham, mozzarella cheese, and other ingredients that we call it a burro. So there are many ingredients involved because our teacher Sabina will explain, will teach you how to make other varieties, not only the a burro and a carne arancini.
she will suggest you some great ideas for the stuffing, for the filling, and so you can let your imagination run free, of course.
Also for vegetarians.
Yes.
So we have no limits. This is one of the most delicious and tasty street food in Sicily, and we are dedicating an event and a video tutorial, a video recipe, so you can learn in advance, you can improve your culinary skills in advance before participating our event. And I want to remember something important for those who don't remember. This is a private event when we will cook all together. So,
Live.
So not only a virtual tutorial, a virtual recipe, but the possibility to spend a great time all together, to enjoy a cookery time, and also share the, how do you say, all the beautiful stories about
Meeting other beautiful Sicily lovers like you to spend a great time all together.
So if you have a Sicilian origin, you can share with us your stories about your ancestors, about your origin. We will talk not only about food, but we will talk about Sicily in general. No,
Yeah.
Rosella?
Yes.
And
It's a funny party, we can say.
yeah.
A feast.
Perhaps I will sing and play guitar again.
Of course.
I'm not sure.
And you can cook again, like in the last event.
I will cook. I will wear my apron, and for Rosella's fun and for your fun. So it will be a fun experience. And
There are few spots left.
Yeah.
So if you would like to reserve your spot, you can visit our website best things to do in Sicily.com. Check the navigator bar, looking for virtual cooking class and Sicily lovers meeting, and choose the date that best suits your needs. We wait for you.
Again, would you like to remember the dates? October 24, 24 and October 25. It's a Saturday and a Sunday. One is dedicated to the friends in the West Coast. We will start with the West Coast, and on Sunday, the day after, we will be with the friends in the East Coast. Of course, if you are in the middle, you can choose the the best date that suits your need. If you are in Canada, the same. If you are in Europe, you can follow the Italian time. We will start in the afternoon. It means if you are in Europe, you can start with us, and in America and Canada will be morning. So
Yeah.
we will be how do you say? We will be ready to enjoy a dinner in our case and
Yes.
a lunch in your case, because you will start at 9 o'clock, 9:30 a.m. We will start in the afternoon. So
But you are
at the
free
end,
to decide, because, for example, Susan Lombardo will join us on Saturday,
Yeah.
even if she lives in Florida.
Yeah.
And Tom will join us.
Tom
on-
McLean, yeah.
Yes, on Sunday, even if he lives in California.
Yeah.
So you are free to decide according to your needs, of course.
and so you still have a few days to book your spot and to buy the ingredients
Yeah.
for the cookery lessons, for the culinary events. It's not a cookery lesson, it's more than a cookery lesson. It's a special event where we will share a great time all together,
And of
talking
course-
about Sicily and its culinary masterpieces.
And of course, the video recipes will be our gift also for you. You can watch them every time you will need
Yeah.
in the future.
So let's explain again what we do. This is a virtual event. It's dedicated to almond cookies, this time almond cookies and arancini, the rice balls. And before the event, we used to send all the people who booked the spot, we used to send a couple of video tutorials dedicated to, in this case, arancini and almond cookies. Last time we sent the video dedicated to fried pizzas and sphinxes. This time we will make arancini and almond cookies. So the people who book the spot, people who participate, receive in advance a video recipe, just to start training, just to start improving the recipe before the event. During the event, we will cook all together,
Yes.
and we will enjoy the result all together.
And we can wait. We are so excited
But
every time.
we forget to say something important. How does it work? Guys, this is a Zoom section.
Interactive.
So, an interactive section. Everybody will be connected. We will talk to you through a big display. We will see you. You will see us. Everybody will see each other, and so I think it's the funniest thing. Our teacher Sabina will watch you, will correct you if you make something wrong, and
She will guide you step by step, of course.
right. This is right. This is absolutely right. And And we made a lot of clips, a lot of footages during the last days with Sabina to make these video recipes. This is why we are so tired now.
Look at my face.
We went
And
to
my
sleep
eyes.
at 3 o'clock in the morning last night, guys. So it's time to enjoy our gift. I want to thank our Lord because this is, I think, the best gift for us. After a very ugly week, we had every day we had rain, we had wind, cold wind. Now we are in the paradise of Mondello Beach, and now we are ready to go. I'm ready to go. Perhaps Rosella is not sure.
I don't know. I have to test the water temperature.
Are you to follow me?
No, of course.
Guys,
Not now.
I can resist. I don't need any courage. So thank you for your help, for your support. But I go on my own, alone,
I can follow
because
you with the camera.
the water is calling me. Gianca, come on, Gianca. So guys, look at that. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at this beautiful landscape or seascape.
Seascape, yes.
Seascape. So Rosella, I have to say ciao ciao. For those who will participate to the events, to the culinary events, let's see next Saturday and Sunday. From Gianca is all.
But stay tuned because
Thanks for watching. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna swim right now.
and I want to record Gianca during his swim time.
It's about the same. Same temperature outside.
Look at the water, is so clean. And of course, I can wait my foot. From Mondello Beach for today is all. I love you. I wait for you here in Sicily as soon as is possible, but in the meantime you can join our virtual Sicily lovers meeting and we wait for you. I love you. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.